Did you know that buying a pre-built gaming PC can actually save you serious money compared to building your own right now? Graphics cards are selling at inflated prices due to limited stock and massive demand, but pre-built manufacturers buy them in bulk at much better rates. You can literally get a complete ready-to-game system for less than buying just the graphics cards separately at retail prices. Whether you're just getting into PC gaming or ready to experience every game maxed out, there's a perfect pre-built option waiting for you. I've researched 7 fantastic builds covering every budget and gaming style, from competitive esports to jaw-dropping 4K visuals. All the links are in the description below, so let's dive in. Let's start with the budget champion, the CyberPower PC Gamer Master with a Ryzen 5 processor, Radeon RX 6400 graphics, and 16 gigs of RAM. Here's what that actually means for gaming. Fortnite runs beautifully at high settings, pushing well over 100 frames per second. Valorant and League of Legends deliver buttery smooth competitive performance. Even demanding games like Minecraft and Rust are totally playable at medium settings, maintaining smooth 60 frames per second. The genius here is upgradability. When you're ready to level up, swapping in a better graphics card is straightforward. This build is perfect for students who want to game with friends, parents buying their kids' first gaming PC, or anyone testing PC gaming waters without diving into premium prices. You're gaming comfortably in everything from Counter-Strike 2 to Apex Legends. If you're juggling school, work, and gaming simultaneously, the LXZ gaming PC takes a different approach with its i5 processor, RTX 3050 graphics, and 32 gigabytes of RAM. That massive memory means you can have Discord open, Chrome with 15 tabs, OBS recording gameplay, and still game smoothly. The RTX 3050 brings ray tracing, so games like Cyberpunk 2077 look significantly prettier with realistic reflections and lighting. You're gaming comfortably at 1080p high settings, and competitive titles like Marvel Rivals and Rainbow Six Siege easily push past 144 frames per second. Picture this: you're editing video for class, Premiere Pro is rendering, Spotify's streaming, and your roommate wants to squat up for Battlefield 6. You switch over and you're gaming instantly without closing anything. For students and multitaskers who need one machine for everything, this delivers serious value. Moving to 1440p gaming, the STG-A-UBRON gaming PC pairs an i7 processor with the RTX 3060 and 12 gigabytes of video memory. That extra VRAM handles modern games like Monster Hunter Wilds and Hollow Knight Silksong at higher resolutions beautifully. This machine runs most games on high to ultra settings, maintaining 60 frames per second smoothness. Battlefield 6 looks gorgeous with detailed destruction physics, and demanding experiences like Elden Ring shine at 1440p with high settings. However, quality control issues pop up frequently. Some systems arrive with missing Wi-Fi modules or stability problems. The bundle includes RGB accessories, but they're novelty quality. While the specs look attractive for 1440p gaming, the inconsistency makes this riskier than established brands. Here's where we hit the sweet spot: the Skytech Azure 3 featuring AMD's Ryzen 5 processor and NVIDIA's brand new RTX 5060 with 32 gigs of DDR5 memory. This is current generation hardware with DLSS 4-frame generation that uses AI to dramatically boost performance. You're gaming beautifully at 1440p in everything from competitive shooters to massive open-world games. Imagine playing Borderlands 4 with stunning visuals, or Peak with smooth cooperative climbing action. This system delivers 200+ frames per second in Fortnite, Apex Legends, and Valorant on high settings, perfect for high refresh monitors. Even Cyberpunk 2077 runs smoothly at 1440p with DLSS magic, and you can dabble in 4K gaming on less demanding titles. The value proposition here is genuinely impressive for what you're getting in terms of future-proof technology. Unlike STG-A-UBRON's questionable quality control, Skytech assembles in the USA with solid build quality and responsive support. Setup is literally 10 minutes. The downside? Basic keyboard and mouse, so budget another $50 for decent peripherals. This build is perfect for serious gamers wanting modern technology that'll stay relevant for years. Now, we're talking serious performance with the CyberPower PC Gamer, extreme packing Intel's flagship i9 processor with 24 cores and the RTX 5070 graphics. You're not just gaming, you're gaming while streaming to Twitch at 1080p 60 FPS with zero performance hit. Run OBS, your game, Discord, stream chat, and edit YouTube videos simultaneously without breaking a sweat. For pure gaming, this destroys everything at 1440p, maintaining well over 100 frames per second in basically any game with ultra settings. Even brutal games like Microsoft Flight Simulator run beautifully smooth. You can absolutely game at 4K with DLSS enabled. Running Elden Ring at 4K high settings while streaming? Easy. Rendering YouTube videos while waiting in Valorant queue? No problem. If you're only gaming, that i9 is overkill. But for streamers building channels, content creators who edit and game, or anyone running demanding creative software, this is the multitasking king. Just check everything carefully on arrival, as quality control can be spotty. The Skytech King 95 enters enthusiast territory with AMD's Ryzen 79800X3D processor and RTX 5070 Ti with 16 GB of RAM. That CPU uses special 3D V-Cache technology, making it the absolute gaming performance champion. This system delivers smooth 4K gaming across the board. Cyberpunk 2077 with full ray tracing at 4K maintaining 60+ FPS, Monster Hunter Wilds looking stunning, basically any game running gorgeously at 4K. For competitive gaming, this delivers insanely high frame rates at 1440p, 300+ frames per second in Counter-Strike 2 and Valorant for ultra-competitive advantage. 16 gigs of video memory future-proofs you for upcoming demanding games. Picture diving into latest AAA releases on day one, cranking every setting to ultra, enabling ray tracing and getting buttery smooth performance. The gaming experience is honestly incredible when everything's dialed to maximum. However, the included power supply has reliability problems with multiple failure reports. Budget another $150 to replace it immediately. This system generates serious heat and 9 cooling fans get noticeably loud. For hardcore gamers wanting absolute maximum frame rates and anyone with a 4K display they want to max out, this is your machine. At the absolute peak sits the Asus ROG G700 with Intel's Ultra 9 processor and the monstrous RTX 5900 with 32 GB of video memory. This handles literally anything imaginable. Want a game at 8K? This does it. Battlefield 6 with full path tracing at 4K getting 100 frames per second? Done. The RTX 5090 is the most powerful gaming graphics card available. Any game, any resolution, every setting maxed with smooth performance. But this level is genuinely overkill for pure gaming. Where this truly shines is professional work combined with gaming, editing 8K video, 3D rendering, running AI models. You can stream gameplay at 4K while simultaneously rendering complex video projects without either task suffering. Build quality is exceptional with premium feel throughout. However, the Intel processor isn't optimal for pure gaming. AMD's gaming CPUs perform better for less money. You're also looking at a massive case and enough heat to warm your room. This is ultimate for professional content creators who game, 3D artists wanting maximum power, or wealthy enthusiasts wanting absolute best regardless of price. Here's your decision guide: starting out or tight budget. CyberPower PC Gamer Master gets you gaming at 1080p without breaking the bank. Student juggling schoolwork and gaming? LXZ Gaming? PC's massive RAM handles everything simultaneously. Want smooth 1440p with latest technology? Skytech Azure 3 delivers incredible value, streaming gameplay or creating content professionally. CyberPower PC Gamer Extreme handles it all. Want absolute best gaming at 4K? Skytech King 95, but replace that power supply immediately. Professional creator needing maximum GPU power? Only Asus ROG G700 delivers that level. Trust me, picking the right system now means years of amazing gaming ahead. Every link is in the description, and if this helped you find your perfect gaming PC, smash that subscribe button. Now go game!